Today I will explain all 15 species of wild dogs. So let's start. Gray wolf. The gray wolf is the largest wild member of the dog family, with males reaching up to 80 kilograms and stretching over 2 meters long, including their bushy tail. Its coat varies dramatically, from snowy white to coal black, depending on geography, making it a visual chameleon across tundras, forests, and deserts. Wolves are apex predators, capable of chasing prey at 60 kilometers per hour, and their powerful jaws and keen senses make them formidable hunters. Their haunting howls aren't just for drama. They're tools for communication, territory marking, and social bonding. Socially, gray wolves are deeply complex. Packs are family units led by an alpha pair, with strict hierarchies and cooperative pup rearing. They hunt in coordinated teams, often taking down prey much larger than themselves. Their ecological role is vital. They regulate prey populations and shape entire ecosystems. But their relationship with humans is fraught. Once persecuted to near extinction, they're now symbols of wilderness and resilience. A dingo. The dingo is Australia's legendary wild dog, descended from ancient domestic dogs brought to the continent over 4,000 years ago. With a lean, agile body and fiery red or creamy white coat, dingoes are built for speed and stamina. They're capable of rotating their wrists and turning their necks 180 degrees, feats impossible for most dogs. Packs range from 3 to 12 individuals, led by dominant alphas who control breeding and social dynamics. Their haunting howls and solitary hunting style evoke a primal elegance. Dingoes are fiercely intelligent and emotionally expressive. They form lifelong bonds, and pups are raised communally, with adults regurgitating food and even water for them. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in deserts, forests, and even near human settlements. Yet they face threats from hybridization with domestic dogs and habitat loss. Coyote. The coyote is North America's most adaptable wild dog, thriving from Alaska to Central America. With pointed ears, a bushy tail, and a lean build, it resembles a small wolf but is far more versatile. Coyotes are known for their intelligence, endurance, and eerie vocalizations, howls, yips, and barks that echo across plains and deserts. They can travel over 20 miles a day and shift hunting strategies based on terrain and prey. Their fur blends gray, tan, and reddish hues, making them visually striking in any landscape. Socially, coyotes are flexible. They live in pairs, family units, or loosely knit packs, depending on food availability. Their diet is equally diverse: rabbits, rodents, fruit, and even garbage. Despite being hunted and misunderstood, they've adapted to urban life, becoming ghostly figures in city parks and suburbs. A short could explore their dual identity: trickster in folklore, survivor in reality, crafty, resilient, and hauntingly vocal. African golden wolf. The African golden wolf is a striking blend of adaptability and mystery. With genetics tracing 72% to gray wolves and 28% to Ethiopian wolves, it thrives across North and East Africa, from deserts to savannas. Its coat ranges from silvery gray to yellowish, with reddish limbs and amber eyes, often mistaken for golden jackals due to its pointed muzzle and robust teeth. These wolves are monogamous and territorial, with offspring helping raise younger siblings, a behavior that deepens their social bonds. Culturally, they've been revered and feared. Ancient Egyptians considered them sacred, while North African folklore paints them as cunning and untrustworthy. Their diet is equally diverse, from gazelle fawns to fruit and human refuse. This versatility makes them ecological stabilizers, scavengers, and predators rolled into one. Their ability to hybridize with jackals adds a layer of evolutionary intrigue. Ethiopian wolf. Africa's most endangered carnivore, the Ethiopian wolf is a russet-coated specialist of the Afro-Alpine highlands. With long limbs and a slender build, it's adapted to elevations of 3,000 to 4,400 meters, where it hunts rodents with surgical precision. Its white facial markings and crescent-shaped eye patches give it a ghostly elegance, while its social tolerance, especially among males, is rare among canines. Despite its pack structure, it's a solitary hunter. Packs are cooperative breeders, with subordinate females sometimes nursing the dominant female's pups. Threats include habitat loss, disease from domestic dogs, and genetic bottlenecks. Its story is one of resilience and fragility. Golden Jackal. The golden jackal is a master of survival, thriving from Southeast Europe to South Asia. With a coat that shifts from creamy yellow in summer to tawny beige in winter, it resembles a smaller, sleeker wolf. Its elongated torso, narrow muzzle, and high-pitched howls make it a charismatic omnivore. It's one of the few canids that can survive on a plant-based diet if needed. Golden jackals are monogamous and territorial, often forming lifelong pairs. They're opportunistic feeders, hunting rodents and birds, but also scavenging and even raiding dung piles for beetles. Their adaptability has allowed them to expand into Central Europe, making them a symbol of ecological flexibility. Dhole. The dhole, or Asiatic wild dog, is a fiery red predator with a whistling voice and a pack mentality that rivals wolves. Found across South and Southeast Asia, it's endangered due to habitat loss and disease. Anatomically unique, it lacks a third lower molar and has a convex skull, giving it a hyena-like profile. Packs of up to 40 individuals hunt cooperatively, often targeting prey much larger than themselves. Dholes don't bark or howl, they whistle. Their vocalizations are eerie and haunting, perfect for cinematic tension. They raise pups communally and regurgitate food for both young and adults. Their decline is tragic, but their social structure and hunting choreography offer rich storytelling potential. Imagine a rhythmic sequence of whistles echoing through misty forests. African wild dog. The African wild dog is a hyper-carnivorous marvel, known for its painted coat and relentless stamina. With only 4 toes per foot and blade-like teeth, it's built for speed and efficiency. Packs are tightly knit, with strong social bonds and cooperative hunting strategies. They chase prey for up to an hour, often achieving kill rates of 60 to 90%. Their social rituals are fascinating. They vote on hunting decisions by sneezing. Pups eat first, and adults regurgitate food for the entire pack. Despite their prowess, they're endangered due to habitat fragmentation and disease. Their story is one of unity and vulnerability. Side-striped jackal. The side-striped jackal is a nocturnal omnivore with buff-gray fur and faint white stripes along its flanks. Found in Central and Southern Africa, it prefers woodlands and marshes over open plains. It's more solitary than its black-backed cousin, often hunting alone or in pairs. Its vocalizations include owl-like hoots and eerie screams. Diet-wise, it's a scavenger and insectivore, feeding on invertebrates during the wet season and small mammals in the dry months. It's intelligent and adaptable, often persecuted due to rabies fears. A short black-backed jackal. The black-backed jackal is a cunning carnivore with a reddish-tan coat and a distinctive black saddle. Found in eastern and southern Africa, it's one of the most ancient canids, unchanged since the Pleistocene. It's monogamous and territorial, with offspring helping raise new pups. Its diet includes rodents, birds, and carrion, making it both predator and scavenger. Highly vocal and resourceful, it thrives in deserts, mountains, and coastal zones. Maned wolf. The maned wolf is South America's tallest canid, with stilt-like legs and a fiery red coat. Found in Brazil, Argentina, and Paraguay, it's a solitary omnivore that blends fox-like elegance with wolf-like mystery. Its black mane and long ears give it a mythical aura. It doesn't howl, it barks with a low roar, marking territory with pungent urine. Its diet includes fruit, rodents, and insects, with a special fondness for the lobera or wolf apple. It's shy and crepuscular, active at dawn and dusk. Dog. The bush dog is a squat, semi-aquatic predator with webbed feet and a bear-like face. Found in Central and South America, it's elusive and rarely seen. Packs of 6 to 12 individuals hunt cooperatively, often chasing prey into water. Their high-pitched peeps and coordinated attacks make them one of the most fascinating canids. They hunt pacas, capybaras, and even tapirs, using endurance and teamwork. Their social bonds are strong, with communal pup-rearing and scent-based communication. Short-eared dog. The short-eared dog is a shadowy figure of the Amazon, with navy blue to chestnut gray fur and webbed toes. It's solitary, elusive, and rarely seen. With a fox-like muzzle and rounded ears, it swims rivers and stalks prey in dense rainforest. Its diet includes fish, crabs, insects, and fruit. Little is known about its behavior. Common raccoon dog. The common raccoon dog is a fox-like canid with raccoon-like markings and a dense winter coat. Native to East Asia and invasive in Europe, it's the only hibernating canid. It climbs trees, swims, and scavenges, feeding on everything from frogs to fruit. Its short legs and bushy tail give it a waddling gait. Socially, it's monogamous and forms lifelong pairs. It's often misunderstood due to its resemblance to raccoons, but it's a true canid. Japanese raccoon dog. The Japanese raccoon dog, or tanuki, is a cultural icon and biological enigma. With shorter fur and a smaller stomach than its mainland cousin, it's endemic to Japan. It's nocturnal, monogamous, and capable of climbing trees. Its vocalizations resemble cat-like groans, and it arches its back when threatened. In folklore, it's a shapeshifter and trickster, often depicted with a jovial grin. Scientifically, it's debated. Some classify it as a subspecies, others as a distinct species. Like, subscribe, and share this video to get wild. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.